Hello guys, welcome to Trendy Technological. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Adobe Photoshop beta version. To install Adobe Photoshop beta version, we need to install first Opera browser. Link is in the description. Click on that link and you will redirect to this site and click on download Opera. After downloading the software, run the setup. And accept and install. Accept. It will download the resources files for this Opera browser. Click on get started. Click on this later button. Open google.com site. Here you need to create a new Gmail ID to get Adobe Photoshop beta version. Click on create account. After you created the mail ID, go to adobe.com site. Here, click on sign in button. Continue with Google. Choose an account that you created a new account. Fill up the details and here country or region. Choose United States. Click on continue. Choose United States. Done. You have successfully created an Adobe account. Now go to Adobe All Apps. Choose United States. And scroll down. Here you can see Adobe Photoshop. Click on this free trial button. Now choose Teams. Here you can see 14 days free trial. No credit card is required. Click on continue. Company name. Give any title. Here I am giving this Trendy Tech. Company says I am giving 100 to 499. Country or region it will take automatically. State choose an Alaska. Zip code 99502. Business phone. Here first three digits start with 758 and type any random number. Click on continue. Here you can see thank you Trendy. Your free trial is ready to go. Here you have to download the Creative Cloud. We have to set the default browser Opera. Go to search and search in default tabs. Choose Opera. Here click on set default and go to Creative Cloud desktop app and here continue with Google. Then automatically it will redirect to adobe.com site. Then here you go. You are all set. Signing into Creative Cloud desktop app. After loading is completed your Creative Cloud desktop app, go to app section and go to beta apps tab. Here you can see Photoshop beta. Click on install button. Automatically Photoshop beta will start the download. It will depends upon your internet speed. Wait until Adobe Photoshop beta is installed on your system perfectly. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Trendy Technological and Trendy Tech Tips YouTube channels. Thank you. Thanks for watching.